in test mode right now, and it will go through 5 steps. It's on the first test. Right now it's checking the water level, making sure that there's no problem with the hoses or any clogs, any debris. Your water, cold and hot supply need to both be fully turned on for this, and make sure you have nothing inside the washer as far as clothes or anything like that. So here we go. Now it's doing the test too, so now it's doing the cold and the hot water both together. Okay, test 3. It's making sure that the water valves shut off, do not let any water through. Test 4 is going to do the draining process. Making sure that the water drains properly through your drain. And this specific model starts shooting the water out in little spurts. So that noise you're hearing is perfectly normal for this model. Once again, this is a WT7005CW. Test 5. It's going to release the drum and we'll start spinning momentarily. There we go. Now they do have an impeller model too. This is the one with the agitator, but the process does actually work the same way. Very quiet model, as you can probably tell there. So it's just doing the test of the final spin and taking out all the remaining water, which would be the final step when you are washing your clothes. Getting up to full speed there. If everything checks out, there should be no error code, and it should complete the test with a nice little tune. There we go. No errors. There's a 0, which means everything worked great, and that melody was the final clearance. Now if you do have an error code, it will show up on the display and you'll have to refer to the troubleshoot manual or contact your repair person, hopefully get that result, and then it will power down automatically. Hope you liked the video. Make sure you hit a thumbs up and subscribe. Have a great day. We will be doing a product review later on how it does with washing the clothes.